Hi guys, I'm Reginald Samuel, algebra teacher at Carter High School. And this is Nadia Ayala, algebra teacher at W.T. White High School. We would love to hear from all Algebra 1 students as we solve tax type questions. Remember that algebra is over 50% of the 9th and 10th grade tax exam. It's even 40% of the exit level exam. So remember that every problem that we solve here on the Dudes is a tax type problem. You may want to hang on to your notes to review the tax test that's coming in April.
Before we get started, let's go over a few rules. Please, when you use your telephone to give us a call, turn the TV volume down to avoid the noise. It really hurts our ears. Okay, remember also that cell phones do not work well with our audio system, so be sure to use regular phones. Please, no cell phones. I thank you, Reginald thanks you, and our ears definitely thank you. Also, a lucky caller will receive a gift certificate from Chick-fil-A. So call in and good luck. And here's a gift certificate, guys. There's two $5 gift certificates. Okay? So at the end of the show, we will have our monthly drawing for a lucky teacher. Then at the end of the school year, we will have a super prize for the entire super class and teacher that has the most calls. And also, we will also have our lucky teacher for this month will get this Blockbuster. You've got popcorn in there and you can go to Blockbuster, and yeah, you have a gift certificate as well. And some Twizzlers. I love Twizzlers. Okay, anyways, this is for our lucky teacher. Okay, here we go. We've got our first caller, and I think I heard Rachel from W.T. White. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Rachel.
How are you?
Rachel?
Excuse me?
Is this Rachel? My Rachel?
Yes.
Okay, cool. How you doing? You're okay? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Okay, because I never answered. Okay, say hi to Miss Burnett for me.
She says hello.
Hi. Okay, are you ready for a problem?
Of course.
Okay, here we go. Okay, it says write and solve a system of
Am I reading? What am I doing? Am I reading? No? Can't hear anybody. Can't hear anybody. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Rachel?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Clear.
Reading,
Clear.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Here we go again. I was reading to myself. Okay. Write and solve a system of linear equations that can be used to find two numbers that have a sum of 35 and a difference of 27. Okay, so we're going to be talking about two different numbers, so we need two different variables. Okay. So what two letters do you want to use?
X and Y.
Okay, cool. So X will be the first number and Y will be your second number. Okay? So I'm going to go back and read the sentence again. It says two numbers that have a sum of 35. So how would you write the equation for that? Two numbers that have a sum of 35. Sum means to do what, sweetie?
Add.
To add. So you've got your X and your Y. What are you going to do?
X plus 1.
X plus
Y.
X plus Y should, their sum has to be 35. So
Equals 35.
there you go. There's our first equation. Now our second equation says that the two numbers have the difference of 27. Difference means to do what?
Oh, X minus Y.
There you go. X minus Y
Equals 27.
Good. Did you set this up?
Okay, yes, you definitely. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Rachel?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. I just hadn't said anything because I was making sure that everyone could hear me. We were having some technical difficulties. Okay, now, what?
Oh, I can't hear him now.
Okay, I stopped talking. That's why you couldn't hear me. I stopped talking. Okay, here we go. They can hear you off of my mic? Okay, sounds good. Okay, cool. Now, I want you to do two things. You've set up the problem. I was going to get the next caller to solve it. But because you're such a good person, I'm going to get you to do both. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, you have one of three methods. Which method would you like to use?
Elimination.
Elimination. Sounds good to me. Okay, so go ahead. What do we have?
What are you going to eliminate?
2x.
We're going to get, okay, these two will eliminate, and we'll have 2x equal.
62.
Sounds good. Okay, where do we go from there?
And you divide by 2 on each side.
Sounds like a winner.
And then x equals 31.
X equals 31. All right, we have our x. What do we need?
And then plug x into x plus y equals 35.
Okay, so you're gonna plug it into this one right here?
Yes.
Sounds good. So what do we have? 31 plus y equals 35, you said?
And you minus 31 on both sides.
Subtract 31. Subtract 31.
And
Okay.
y equals 4.
Y. Oh, why was I about to do a 3? Y equals 4. Sounds good. So what's my ordered pair?
31, 4.
31, comma 4. Excellent job. Excellent job, dear. If we had some clappers, we'd have them clapping for you, but you know, Nadia, Miss Ayala broke away. Okay, good job. Good job, dear. All right, good job, WT White. You all keep calling in. Okay.
Bye, Rachel. Okay.
Okay.
That was pretty good.
That was excellent. Excellent job. Okay, our next caller is...
Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine.
Hey,
How you doing?
all right, how you doing?
All right. Oh, what school are you calling from?
Stop.
SOC. Okay, South Oak Cliff. Okay,
And what's
and this
your
is
teacher's
Jasmine.
name that's staying there with you?
What?
Your
What?
teacher's name who's staying with
Miss
you?
May.
Miss Mays. Sounds good. All right. Thank you, Miss Mays, for staying after with the students at South Oak Cliff.
Boy, you got me, Miss Allen.
Okay, here we go. You ready for the problem?
Yeah.
Do me a big favor. Turn your television down a little bit because I know you're on the cell phone because we're still working on them to get a regular phone line, but I can hear that echo. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you're still right there about it. Okay, back up a little bit. Okay, here we go. The problem reads, Miss Ayala,
Okay, it says Kent has 400 movies in his collection.
can you hear us?
Can you hear us?
No.
Oh, no, you can't hear us?
Okay, Jasmine, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll read the problem because Miss Ayala's mic, we're dealing with that. Okay, here we go. The problem reads, Ken has 400 movies in his collection. He collects action movies and comedy movies, all right? The number of action movies he has is 4 more than 3 times the number of comedy movies, okay? Write and solve a system of equations that can be used to find how many action movies and comedy movies Ken has in his collection, all right? So let's go. What do I have to do? Okay, come on, talk to me, Jasmine. What do I have to do?
X equals action.
Okay, you're going to put X equal the action?
Uh-huh.
Okay, this is the action movies. Okay.
Good.
What else do I need?
And Y coming.
Okay, so Y is going to be my comedy movies. Okay. So where do I go from there?
Read the what? Second sentence.
Circuit City.
Read the second sentence.
Read.
I thought you said, okay, read the second sentence. It says the number of action movies he has is 4 more than 3 times the number of comedy movies. So what can we do with this first sentence? Before we deal with the second sentence, let's look at the first sentence. It says he has 400 movies and he has comedy and action movies. So what can we do with that? What? Okay, X
plus Y
plus Y
Good.
equals 400.
equals
There you
400. Excellent job.
Yep.
Okay, now what about the second part of it?
X equals
X equals because it says the number of action movies he has is. So X equals because is means equal. Go ahead.
4
more than. So 4 more than, what does that mean?
4 plus 3Y.
Let's say plus 4. Okay, because if it said less than, then we would have to say minus 4. So let's just keep that plus 4 in the back. And then what is the next part am I going to have?
3Y.
Okay, 3Y. Okay, sounds good. Excellent job, dear. Excellent job. All right. We're going to get the next caller to actually solve it. We appreciate your help. All right. Thank you so much.
Good. Great job. Okay, I think we have Tanishua.
It's Tanisha.
Tanishua. Where are you calling from, City?
I'm coming from Atwell.
Okay, and what's your teacher's name?
Miss Hearn.
Miss Hearns. Okay, thank you, Miss Hearns, for staying after school with the Atwell bunch. Okay, you ready to work a problem?
I guess.
You say, I guess. Okay, come on. Let's see what we have here. Okay, Jasmine from SOC actually helped us out a great deal. She actually set up the system. Now I need to know exactly what method are we going to use to solve. Which is the easiest method to solve this system right here?
Substitution.
Substitution.
Good.
Excellent job. Okay, so tell me what I need to do.
You need to change one of the equations to.
I need to isolate a variable.
Yeah.
I have x isolated, right?
Okay.
Okay, so what am I going to do with x? With what x equal? What am I going to do with this information right here? What am I going to do?
In the first equation.
Okay, I'm going to put it in for x. Okay, so what x equal, I'm going to put it in for x. So what am I going to have?
Huh?
What am I going to have after I put x in what x equal in here?
I can't hear you. Wait a minute. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay, tell me what I'm going to do next. Just tell me what I'm going to do.
3y.
Okay, 3y.
Plus
3y plus 4. Okay.
4 plus y.
Plus y. Excellent job. Now notice what we've done here. We've taken what x equal and we plugged it into x. That's why we got this part from. And now we're going to put plus y what? Equals
400.
400. Good job. Okay. Now what's my next step?
Combine the y's.
Combine like terms. Excellent job. So I'm going to have what?
Ain't that 4y plus 4 equals 400?
4y plus 4 equals 400. Excellent job. What's the next step?
Subtract the 4.
Okay, subtract 4. Okay, subtract 4. Sounds good.
396 equals 4.
Okay, 4y equals 396. Not in. Make sure you don't put a decimal if there's not one in there. Okay, go ahead.
And then you divide it by 4.
Divide by 4. Okay.
Which equals 100.
Y equals, you sure it's 100 or is it like
Wait,
90?
wait,
Okay, I'm sorry.
Wait a minute.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Oh, 396.
396 divided by 4, not 400.
Ain't that 99?
That is 99. Good job. Okay, now what do I have? I have my y. What do I need?
Your x.
I need my x. Where's the easiest place to place this?
Huh?
Where's the easiest place to place this? Should I place it in my second equation or my first equation?
I said it first.
The first equation sounds good. I would have said the second, but sounds good. The first
But
one?
I said it.
Yes, ma'am. And because you said that, I'm going to deal with what you said. Let's go.
Alright.
Okay? X plus y equals 400. Keep me going.
X plus 99 equals 400. And then 99 minus 400.
Okay.
Yeah. Which equals 300. Wait. Which equals 301, I think.
301. Excellent job. I love the way you said 301 and not 301. Okay. Excellent job. So what is my ordered pair?
301 and 99.
301 because X comes first and then 99.
Good.
Let me put it in parentheses. Excellent
Have a
job.
nice day.
You do the exact same. That's that Atwell Sweet Crew.
Really good.
Yeah, alright.
Okay, that was excellent. That was very good. I am noticing that these teachers are out there teaching.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to our next caller.
Okay, we have Diana from Skyline. Hello.
Hello.
Is this Diana?
It's Dina.
Dina.
Okay, I was giving the wrong info. Dina. Hi, Dina. How are you doing?
Hi.
Okay, Dina, are you ready to work a problem?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, what I need you to do is I need you to set the problem up. I'm going to get the next person to actually solve it, but I need you to set it up. You ready? Okay, here we go. Miss Ayala is going to read it for us.
Okay, it says Liz has 35 coins in her bank worth $2.55. She only has quarters and nickels in her bank. Write and solve a system of equations that can be used to find how many quarters and nickels she has.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Let's go to work. What two variables do I have here?
35. Two variables.
Which two variables do I have here? Because I need to actually go ahead and assign a variable to my two variables, so to speak.
quarters and nickels.
Quarters and nickels. So what two variables do you want to use?
X and Y.
X and Y. You all love this X and Y business. Okay, here we go. What's my X? Which one is my X and which one is my Y?
X is nickels.
Okay, X is nickels.
And Y is quarters.
Nickels and Y is quarters. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so let's go to work. It says Liz has 35 coins. So what can I do about that? I messed that up.
So it's X plus Y equals 35.
X plus Y equals 35. Okay, keep going. What's the next part? It says that her bank is worth $2.55. So what can I do about that?
0.05x.
I know the value of a nickel is 0.05x plus the value of a quarter is
25.
okay, 0.25y, and that equals
35.
That equals 35 equals
55.
2.55. Excellent job.
Good.
Excellent job, Dina.
Good, Dina. That was awesome.
All right. Yay. Remember, guys, on the tax test, okay, bye-bye, dear. On the tax test, all you're going to have to do is set these problems up, okay? Now, when you get to the end of course exam, if we have one, you're going to have to actually solve. Next caller, who is that?
Okay, we've got Jennifer from WT White. Hi, Jennifer.
Hello.
Hello. How are you, Jennifer?
Hi.
Sounds good. You ready to finish this problem off for us?
Sure.
Let's go to work.
Good.
Okay. Which method?
Elimination.
Okay, elimination. Sounds good. Way to go. All right. Because I wish you would have chosen substitution, but elimination is fine as well. What is the first step we're going to use for elimination?
We're going to do -4. There's going to be 0.05x plus 0.25y equals 225 times
-4. So you want to multiply this one times -4?
Yeah.
Okay, let's multiply this one times -4. So we'll rewrite the first one. Okay, we're rewriting this one. And then this one right here. Okay, that's going to give me -0.20x plus a -y equals, now what's this? $10.20 -10.20. Is that right?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Hey, I got one right. Okay, here we go. What am I going to do from here?
You're going to add them together.
Okay, add them together so these two cancel out. What am I left with here?
0.8x equals 24.8.
24.8. Sounds good. Okay, where do I go from there?
You divide by 8.
Divide by 0.8.
0.8.
Divide by 0.8. Good job. And then x equals
31.
31.
Good, Jennifer. Good.
Sounds good, Jennifer. Where do I go from there?
You plug in 31 in the x.
31 into the x, the first x or the second x?
First x.
Okay, good. All right. You didn't use my method, but you did use the equation I would use. Okay, here we go. So from there, where do we go? We have
31 plus y equals 35. And you subtract 31 from
hey, this
35.
looks familiar.
And y equals 4.
So y equals 4. Okay, there's an answer and there's an answer. So what's my ordered pair?
31,
4. Excellent job. 31,
Good, Jennifer. Yay.
4. Excellent job. Yay. Hold on. I got to find a spot to give you a happy face.
Here's smiley face. Whoa.
Sometimes their eyes kind of look funny, but don't worry about that. They're actually human beings. Smiley face human beings. Thanks, dear. Okay.
Bye, Jennifer.
Eventually, I'm going to get my smiley faces right, and Miss Ayala is going to be like, "Oh my God, I am so impressed." Okay, we're going to go to our next caller.
Okay. You can pronounce this name.
Okay, where am I? That's
Quentin.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Quentin.
Yes.
How you doing, Quentin? Hey, now you know what? You sound a lot better. You're from SOC, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are you doing different? You turn the television down, or you're away from the television? What are you doing?
I think I know how to hold the phone better.
Oh, okay, you just hold the phone right. Okay, all right.
Okay.
That comes from.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I gotta ask you, can you help me on this problem that I got for homework?
Of course I can. Of course I can. I would love to. Let me
Get the blank
get a
paper.
problem that I don't really like and turn it over. Nah, that's going to
No.
look bad. Okay, let me take the last problem and let's go to work. I'm going to put the problem right there. There's a blank sheet of paper. I am waiting for your question.
All right. The question is 3x minus 2y equals 0.
Okay, hold on. 3x minus 2y equals 0. Okay, what's the next one?
And then the other one is x plus y equals negative 5.
Plus y equal negative 5. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, which method did your teacher tell you to use, or can we use any method?
Substitution method.
We're using the substitution method. Sounds good. Okay, so here we go. What is the first step that you have to use when you're using the substitution method, or what's the first thing you have to do?
Got to get x equal y equal.
Okay, you have to isolate a variable. Excellent job. So which one will it be easier to isolate a variable, this one or this one?
The second.
The second one. Okay, so let's go to work. Which variable are we going to isolate, the x or the y?
The y.
Okay, let's isolate y. So what do we have to do?
Subtract.
Subtract x from both sides? Okay, essentially what you're doing is you're taking x over there and changing the sign of it. So we're going to have y equals what?
Y equals x.
Nah,
Y equals negative 5
negative 5. Okay, we can do it that way.
plus x.
Nah, if we take it over there, we have to change the sign of it. So it's going to be minus x.
You
All
got
right?
it. Good.
Good job. All right, so now we know this right here. We know what y equals. So what can we do with what y equals?
Substitute it.
Okay, substitute it in for
2y.
For just the y, just the y, okay? So let's go to work. We have 3x, okay, minus 2, open parentheses, go to work. What do I put in here?
Negative 5 minus x.
Okay, negative 5 minus x, good job, and then that's going to equal what?
5.
That's going to equal negative 5, you sure? Look at which equation I'm using. Okay, good job. I'm using the first equation, so I must put what that one equals. Okay, now where do we go from there?
You do the multiply negative 2 times negative 5.
Okay, and then negative 2 times
x.
Okay, so what am I going to have? 3x.
3x.
Negative times a negative is a.
Positive.
Okay, so 2 times 5 gives me plus 10. Okay, and then a negative times a negative again is a.
Positive.
Okay, so 2 times x is
2x.
2x. Okay, and then that's going to equal 0. Okay, let's keep going. 3x. Okay.
3x plus, then you combine like terms.
Good.
Sounds good. Combine like terms. So what do I have?
5x.
Okay.
3x plus 2x equals 5x.
Okay, so 5x
plus 10
equals
0.
Equals 0. Keep going.
And then you divide.
Divide. We can divide if you want to.
Subtract 10 from.
Okay, you would rather subtract 10. Okay, subtract 10, subtract 10. Okay, and then these two cancel, leaving me with what?
5x equals negative 10.
Negative 10. Keep going.
And then you divide 5.
Okay.
And then you get x equals negative 2.
You are on this problem. Did you just want to show out? You just want to show it. I see that. Okay, now where do I go from there?
You put negative x equals negative 2 in the other problem.
You want to put it in the second one?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it in this one right here. I'll put it right there, so I know that x plus y equal negative 5, and then I know what x equal, right? So I can plug what x equal into x. All right. So what am I gonna have?
What you got? Don't you subtract it?
Nah, tell me. I just need to plug in.
Oh, yeah, you substitute.
Yeah, substitute in.
Yeah, from you substitute negative 2 for the x.
Okay, so negative 2 what?
Negative 2 plus y equals negative 5.
Negative 5. Good job. Okay, what's my next step?
Add 2 to both sides.
Add 2 to both sides. You all over this problem, man. Go ahead. Then what's my last thing?
Y equals 3.
Y equals negative 3. Man, you're on this. So what's my ordered pair?
Negative 2 and negative 3.
Negative 2, negative 3. There it is.
Good.
You can take that problem in and tell your teacher that you did it, because that's an excellent job. That's exactly how you do that. Huh?
She in here.
She's in there. Okay, so but still, when you go to class tomorrow, you can just brag. I got the problem done.
Yeah, that's a homework problem too.
Sounds good. Sounds good. All right, Sock, you all keep calling in.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
Okay, who's our next caller?
Okay, we've got Greg.
Oh, Greg had to leave, but this is Janet.
Janet.
This is
Okay, hi Janet.
Hi, Janet.
Hey,
How are you?
good, you?
I am well. What school are you calling from? She is so polite too.
TJ?
TJ, sounds good.
Good.
You said, what's your name again, baby? Because it has Greg on the paper.
But she just,
Janet.
Okay, Janet.
Greg had to leave.
I know, but I was trying to remember her name again. It said Greg. Okay, here we go, Janet. You ready to work a problem?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to set this problem up for me. Okay, now we have to go through this one a little slower, all right? But we're going to make it happen. Here we go, Miss Ayala.
Okay, it says Lisa is 8 years older than her brother Martin. In 2 years, Lisa will be 3 times her brother's age. Write and solve a system of equations that can be used to find their ages now.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to work. What we need 2 variables, and who do we need the variables for? Lisa and
her brother Martin.
Martin. Okay, so what variables do you want to use? X, Y. I want somebody to call in and use L and M or something because that's what they're going to use on the test. But that's cool. Okay, X equal what? Who is X? X is
Years.
X is years.
Lisa.
X is Lisa. Okay, and then what about your Y?
Martin.
That's Martin. Okay. Yeah, I do you all like I do my students because I do my students the same way. Okay, here we go.
She's just joking, Mr.
Oh, she was joking. I'm sorry, Janet. Okay, here we go. Go to work. What's my first equation?
Lisa is.
Lisa is means what?
X equals.
X equal. Excellent job. Okay, X equal 8 years older than means what?
8 plus 8.
Plus 8. Okay, that means plus 8. And then it's her brother Martin. So that means what?
Y.
Okay, so that means Y plus 8. Good job. Okay, now the next part says in 2 years, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if it's in 2 years, then Lisa will be how much older then? In 2 years, how much older will Lisa be?
X plus 2.
Okay, so X plus 2, okay, and equals, now how much older is Martin going to be in 2 years?
3 parentheses Y plus 8 close parentheses.
3, okay, good job, excellent job. I just want to show everyone exactly where we're getting this stuff from, okay? Martin is going to be 3 times his sister's age. So in 2 years, which means that their ages now you'd have to add 2 to that, right? Because both of them will be 2 years older then. And then in those 2 years, she's going to be 3 times his age. So that's our equations, all right? You get it? Oh, you get it because you gave it to me. Okay? Excellent job, dear, all right? Keep calling in. What school is this? TJ. All right, keep calling in and representing.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Yep. You're gonna call your mom if you have gum in there. You get that gum out of there. Okay. Here we go.
Is someone on the phone?
Yeah.
Okay. What was your name, sweetie?
Huh?
Your name?
Miranda Gomez.
Oh, Miranda. Okay.
Miranda. Miranda, you wouldn't be Miranda on here. You'd be Moanda.
Okay. Miranda, what's your teacher's name, Miranda? Miranda?
Yes.
What's your teacher's name, sweetie?
Miss Islas.
Okay, this is Griner.
Islas.
This is Griner. Okay. Hey, Miss Islas. Thank you for staying after with the kids.
She said, hey.
Hey. Okay, you ready to finish this problem up that Janet started for us?
Yes,
Okay.
of course she is. That's why she's
Sounds
calling.
good. Sounds good. Let's go to work.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. This is our original problem. Which equation would you like to, or which method would you like to use?
Substitution.
Oh, okay, good.
Sounds good. I like substitution method. Okay. So let's go to work. What do we need to do first before we do any substitution?
We need
You want to clean this problem up right here?
Yes.
Let's clean this up, all right? Let's clean it up. What's the first thing that we can do to clean this problem up right here?
You multiply 3 times y.
Okay. What is that called? Distributed property. That's teamwork. That's what it's all about. Okay. So here we go. We know that we're still going to have x plus 2. Okay. And then that's going to equal what?
3y.
Okay. 3y.
Plus 6.
Plus 6. Excellent job. All right. And what's something else we can do?
Subtraction.
Can we subtract what?
Yeah.
2.
Subtract 2 and subtract 2. Just to make it look pretty. All right. Let's make it look pretty. Here we go. So we're going to have what? X equal
3y.
3y.
Plus 4.
Plus 4. Excellent job. Excellent job. Now, here we go. Here's our dilemma now. All right. We can either take this one right here and sub it into here, or we can take that one and sub it into there. Okay, I would suggest we take this and sub it in there because we'll have negative numbers we're dealing with if we don't. But it's up to you. Which way do you want to go?
We can do it your way.
Okay. Okay. Let's do it that way. Okay, so we're going to take this right here and we're going to sub it in where?
Where the x is at.
Where the x is. Okay, good job. So what are we going to have on this line?
We're going to have 3y.
3y. Okay.
Plus 4.
Okay.
Equals 4 plus 8.
Equals 4 plus 8. I don't see.
Oh,
What?
like a 4.
Oh, it looks like a 4. Okay, that's wrong. That's wrong. Talk about my handwriting right on air. Okay, go ahead.
And okay, subtract 4
Subtract 4.
from each
Subtract
side.
4 from both sides, and I'm going to have 3y equals y plus 4. Okay.
Then subtract y.
Subtract y. Subtract y. Okay.
So it'll be 2y.
2y. Good job. I love that.
4.
Okay. Equals 4. Okay. And then what?
Divide 2.
Divide 2. Divide 2. Okay. And my answer is y equals
2.
Y equals 2. Good job. Where do I go from there?
Now substitute it in the top.
In the top one, yeah, because that's the easy one, right? We're always looking for the easiest way to go about doing the problem. Okay. Here we go. X equal y plus 8. Okay. So then we're going to have what?
X equals 2 plus 8.
2 plus 8. And we know what that is. What is that?
10.
10. You are on this problem. So here we go. What is our order pair?
10 and 2.
10, comma 2. Good job. Good job. Let me see if I can get a no eyes. Just, hey, yeah. I like that one. I like that. No?
Yes.
That sounds like a cautious. That sounds like a cautious yes. It's like, okay, if you say so. Thank you for calling in, all right? Miranda.
Bye,
Miranda, keep calling in,
Bye.
Griner. All right. Okay. Here we go. Uh-oh. At will, you all are drinking coffee over there, huh? And taking no-dos.
Okay, I think your name, is it Farisha? Is that right?
My name is Freisha.
Okay. Say it one more time.
Freisha.
Okay, why are you saying it so fast so we can mess it up and then you can say, that's not what I said.
What you say?
Say it slower so we can understand what you're saying.
My name is Freisha.
Oh, Freisha.
Freisha.
That's what I
Okay,
thought you said. I just didn't want to mess up your name because, you know, I wouldn't want you calling me
got to keep
Mr.
going.
Amuel. Okay, here we go.
Okay. Okay.
I need you to set it up now.
Okay, let me read. It says 2 numbers have a difference of 47. One number is 3 more than 5 times the other. We'll help you, sweetie. Don't worry.
Freisha, we're going to help you out.
Okay, write and solve a system of equations that could be used to find the 2 numbers. Okay. Don't worry, Mr. Samuel's going to guide you, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready, Freisha? Because you know you made me laugh, right? You know I was back here laughing. you go, yeah, I don't know how to do this. Okay, here we go, baby. Okay. We need 2 numbers that have a difference of 47, all right? So we need 2 numbers. We need a first number and a second number.
Subtraction.
Okay? And we know that difference means what?
Subtract.
Subtraction, okay? So if we need 2 numbers, we need a first number and a second number. What variables do you want to use for the first and the second number?
F and J.
F. Thank you so much. And I bet your name for Risha and the last name J. Freisha, and what's your last name?
Jones.
I knew that.
Course.
Uh-huh. Okay, so F for the first number Okay, and then J is for the second number. Good job. Thank you for using something different than X and Y, because I promise you, you all are going to see other stuff on your test. Okay, so let's go to work. We know that the two numbers have a difference of 47, so how am I going to write that at the beginning?
So it's gonna be F
minus J equals
47.
47.
She knows what she's doing.
You do know what you're doing. She's just trying to act like she's not. Okay, so where do we go from there, baby?
What you say?
If one number is, what does one number is mean?
Equal.
One number equals, so that means what?
F equals.
F
Okay, good.
equals, okay, and then it says 3 more than 5 times the other. So what does 3 more than mean?
Add
That means plus what?
3.
3, plus 3. Okay, so 3 more than means plus 3, and then it says 5 times the other. So what's the other number?
J.
J. So what is 3? How do we do 5 times J? We just put what?
5J.
5J. And you sit up here talking about, I don't know how to do that. That's it.
I know.
That's it.
You did good.
Excellent job. Excellent job. Okay, I was
Great
going
job.
to put you a happy face, but I don't know if you want it. Okay, here we go. Look at it. Oh, man, he's so happy.
I
Look.
want to solve it.
You want to what?
I want to solve my problem.
You want to solve your problem?
okay.
Look at you. Okay. now.
That's okay. We don't
Appreciate.
have
Okay.
one
Okay.
I don't like that smelly face.
You don't like that smiling face? Well, I'm gonna give you another one after you finish solving the problem. Come on, help me out.
I want to substitution.
You sound like you're on Jeopardy. I want to buy a bomb. I mean, what's this? Okay, you're gonna substitute what, baby?
Substitute L.
Okay, substitute F. Okay, go to work.
So it's going to be L.
What does F equal?
Oh, it's going to be 5J.
5J. Okay.
Plus 3.
Plus 3.
Minus J.
There you go.
Minus J. Don't forget the rest of the problem. Okay.
Equals 47.
Equals 47. Okay, so now what do I do? Okay, now what do I do? Okay.
Combine like terms.
Okay, here we go. 5J's minus 1J gives me what?
4J.
4J's, okay, and then plus 3 equals 47. So what do I do now?
Subtract 3 from each
Subtract
side.
3, subtract 3. Okay, sounds good. These two cancel out, leaving me with what? 4J
J
equals
44.
44. Okay,
That
so,
means J equals 11.
okay, divide both sides by 4. And you're right, J equals 11. All right. So now what do I do with this J equal 11?
Plug it in.
Plug it in, plug it in. Okay, first or second?
Second.
Second looks easier. Okay, so here we go. Let's put it right here. So we have what? F equals,
5J.
let me do this. Keep that problem out of my way. 5J
Plus 3.
plus 3. Okay, so here we go. What do I have?
F equals
F equals
55.
5 times 11. I'll be getting faster than.
Plus 3.
Okay, so F equals,
55.
okay, 55
3.
plus 3. So F equals,
Equals 58.
F equals 58. Good job. Okay, so what is my ordered pair?
1158.
1158. Now hold on now. First of all, we alphabetize, always alphabetize your variables. And then second of all, you said that my first one is F and my second one is J.
Oh, so it's going to be 5811.
5811. Okay,
Okay.
so good job. No, don't. Hey, yeah. That was a good job, though. That was an excellent job. Oops.
She wants another smiley.
Okay, here we go. All right, here we go now. Here we go. You ready, Mrs. Jones?
Yes.
All right,
Make
here.
a start instead.
Huh?
Make a start because that smelly face is ugly.
Oh, she wants
now
to start.
now see, I'd have
That's pretty.
come over there. What's going on with you? Atwell? No, you're not Atwell. Where are you?
Yeah, she is.
You at Atwell? Mm-hmm.
Yep, it's Elwell.
Yeah,
Atwell.
now you know what? If I'm at Carter, you know I'm right around the corner from you, so I'm gonna be over there. I'm coming over there just.
Okay.
Y'all have a good one, Atwell. Hey, y'all stay crunk and keep calling in.
Bye.
All right, here we go. Our next caller is Yesenia.
Yesenia, I think.
Yateria.
Yes, you stop
I'm
saying
sorry,
her
say it
name.
again. Yateria.
Yateria.
Okay.
Hi, Yateria.
Hey.
How you doing, sweetie?
Fine.
Fine. And you're calling from South Oak Cliff. Okay,
South Oak Cliff. Sounds good. Okay, you ready for a problem there?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to work. Okay, Miss Ayala.
Okay, it says Jack collects baseball and football cards. He has 125 cards total. The number of baseball cards he has is 5 more than 3 times the number of football cards. How many baseball cards and football cards does he have?
Okay.
So what 2 variables do you want to use?
B plus F.
Yay!
B and F. Sounds good. So B is going to be our what? Baseball. I'm assuming. Can I assume that?
Yes.
Baseball cards. Okay, and then what about F being our football cards?
Yes.
Okay, if that's correct, then let's go to work. What do you think I need to write first?
B plus F.
Okay, B plus F equals
125.
125. Excellent job. And I like the fact that you didn't put that and in there. Okay, so what's our second equation? It says the number of baseball cards he has is 5 more than 3 times the number of football cards. So what do we write?
B equals 3F plus 5.
Okay, B equals 3F plus 5. Excellent job.
Are you
Okay,
sure?
and you want to go ahead and solve this one?
Yes.
Okay, what method do you want to use?
Substitution.
Okay.
That sounds like a good method to use. So we're going to take, because we already have this one isolated,
Good.
why not go ahead and use that one, right?
Yep.
Okay, so go to work. What do I put?
3F plus 5.
Okay, I'm going to sub this in for my B. Okay, so here we go. 3F plus 5
Plus F.
plus F equals
125.
125. Okay, where do we go from there?
4F
4F, combining our like terms. Good job. Plus 5,
5 equal 125.
125. Good. Okay, then what?
Negative 5.
Minus 5.
Subtract 5 from 125.
Okay, sounds good. So we have 4F equals what?
4F is 120.
120. Okay, and then what?
Oh, divide by 4.
Divide both sides by 4. Okay,
And you get 30.
F equals 30. Okay, that's good job. Okay, F equals 30. Where do I go from here?
Put the F in the 3F plus 5.
Okay, you want to put in the second one. Sounds good. So what are we going to have from there? We're going to have B equals 3F plus 5. Okay, and then what? You want to sub in?
You want to substitute what?
Okay. F equals 30.
Okay,
good.
substitute in 30 for F. So we're going to have B equals what? 30, 3 times 30 plus 5.
Plus 5.
Sounds good. So what do we have from there? B
90 plus 5.
equals 90 plus 5. So B equals 95.
95.
Good job. Good job. So what's our ordered pair?
What you say?
I said, what's the ordered pair?
Um,
Always keep them alphabetized.
95, 30.
95, comma 30. Excellent job. Excellent job. Let me see if I can get you a better smiley face. Isn't that dog that I messed it up? Oh, I almost had it. I almost had it. Thank you, dear. Thank you for calling in. This is, who is that?
Okay,
Uteria.
we've got Uteria, yes.
Okay.
We've got Didi from Skyline. Hello.
Hello?
Is this Didi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're calling from Skyline?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your teacher?
Ms. Darkwa?
Miss, say it one more time.
Ms. Darkwa.
Dark one.
Ms. Darkwa.
Darkawa. Okay.
Darkwa.
Okay.
Darkwa.
Okay. You. It's not that you're saying it too low. It's you're saying it too fast.
Oh, Darkwa.
Gotcha.
Darkwa. Okay, that's
says it louder.
yeah, because you're like Darkwa, and you're still saying it fast. Okay, thank you, Ms. Darkwa, for staying after with the kids. All right, or with the students, because they don't like to be called kids anymore. Okay, are you ready to work a problem?
Yes, I am.
Sounds like a winner. Let's go to the problem.
I need to get help with my homework. Not that. I need to get help with my homework.
Okay, you need help with a problem. Sounds good. I like when you all want to get help with a problem. Actually, let me see if I can find some paper because I don't want to use all my problems. Okay, here we go. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. It's 3x
3x.
minus 3y
Okay. 3x minus 3y
equals negative 15.
negative 15. Okay.
Okay. The second equation is negative 3x minus 3y equals negative 3.
Equals negative 3.
Yes.
Okay. So which method do you want to use, or did she give you all a specific method to use?
Yes. Solve by graphing.
You want to solve this one by graphing? That's cool. Sounds good. Well, tell me this. What is the first thing you have to do to actually use the graphing method?
Put it in slope-intercept form.
Okay, put it in slope-intercept form. So let's do this first one. We're going to make this yield what? What is this going to yield?
Y equals
Okay. Y equal.
mx plus b.
Okay. Y equals mx plus b. Okay. So now let's get it exactly what it's going to be. So 3x plus minus 3y equal negative 15. Okay. So how do I solve this one?
You're gonna divide. You're gonna move the 3x to the right hand side.
Okay. And when I do that, what do I get?
You get positive 3x.
Negative 3y equal.
No.
See, when I get rid of this, I'm going to have negative 3y.
Okay, you got negative 3 y equals negative 15. Negative 3.
Negative 3x minus 15.
Minus 15.
There you go. Okay, now what do I get after I do that? What do I have to do?
You divide everything by 3.
Divide everything by negative 3. Okay. If this were an inequality, what would I do next?
You would change the sign.
I would change the sign. Good job. Okay, let's keep going with this. We cancel these out, and what do I get?
You get y equals x.
Negative divided by negative, so it's going to be positive plus 5. Good job. Okay, let's do this one over here. We already have this one ready to go in the calculator. Okay, what about this one?
The same thing. You're going to divide everything by. No, you don't move.
We can divide everything by negative 3 first. That's fine. Negative 3, it's an alternative, guys. It's a lot of ways to do this. So that cancel gives me x plus y equal 1. Okay, and then what do I do?
X.
Okay, from both sides. So that'll be y equal negative x plus 1. Good job. Okay, so we have them both ready for the calculator. So here we go. Okay.
What's wrong?
Nothing. It's all right. Okay, here we go. Now, okay, do you remember both equations?
Yes.
Okay, what was the first one?
3x minus 3y.
3x, girl. I'm talking about after we got them ready for the calculator.
Okay, x plus 5.
Okay, x plus 5.
She got it.
Okay, x plus 5. And then what's the second one? Negative
x plus 1.
Plus 1. Okay. Now, what do I do from there?
Second graph. You got
second trace.
Second graph.
Second graph.
So, second graph. You
No.
You want to do second trace, right? You want to find the intersection of it. Okay.
Then you're gonna press 5.
Okay, hit 5. Okay. Now, what do I do?
Press enter 3 times.
Okay. First curve, second curve. Guess. Nope. I don't want to guess. I want the answer. Intersection. Yay! Negative 2. Good job. Okay, so I remember my answer is
good, DD.
negative 2, 3. Okay, so when I come back out, whoa, wrong out. Okay, I found out that my x equal negative 2 and my y was 3. So what is my ordered pair, baby?
Negative 2.
Negative 2, comma
3.
3. Yay! Hold on, I'm going to give you a star too because y'all didn't like my.
Whoa.
Okay, that's my. I am. Okay, how about this? I'm just not artistic.
Okay, you're not an artist.
I'm not an artist. Oh.
You're an artist. I like your stars.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. That was sweet.
She's
I
being
know,
really.
thank you.
All right. Oh, girl, you said you were being sweet. You weren't supposed to say you were being sweet.
I didn't say that. Those people in the background.
Okay. You all have a great day. We'll hear from you soon. All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, she was being
Okay.
really nice to you.
You see what kind of bashings I have to take from Nadia? Let's go with our next caller.
I think we've got Alex. Hi, Alex.
Hello.
Hello.
Alex, is this you?
Please be
Where are you
Alex.
calling from?
North Dallas High School.
North Dallas.
North Dallas. North
Good.
Dallas. Where have you all been all day?
Bulldogs.
Bulldogs. Okay, where have you been all day? We've been wondering where you were.
Here.
Because you all call in all the time, and now this is your first time calling in today.
Because we never get through.
Oh, okay.
Y'all don't put us
okay. Now, you know we want you all on. We get you all on about 5 times a show at least.
Nah.
Yeah, right. Okay, come on. You ready to work a problem?
He's like, nah.
Okay, let's go, Miss
ready?
Al.
Ready, Alex? Who's staying with you, Alex? Who's your teacher?
Miss Freed.
Okay,
Miss
Freed.
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 Mhm.
Okay, I got that one.
Best teacher at North Dallas High School.
Oh, that's sweet.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Okay, Alex, it says Jerry deposited $160 at the bank in $1 store and $5 bills. He deposited 3 times as many $1 bills as $5 bills. How many $1 bills and $5 bills did Jerry deposit at the bank?
Sounds like a winner. You ready? Let's go to work, man.
Okay.
Okay, what are my 2 variables?
X and Y.
Okay. What is X standing for?
The ones.
$1 bills. Okay, and what are
The Y is for $5 bills.
$5 bills? Sounds good. Okay, where am I going from there?
X plus 5Y equals 160.
Okay, you saying X plus Y equals 160 or X?
No, X plus
plus
5Y.
Okay, sounds good. X plus 5Y. And note that I want to do it. Matter of fact, let me do it like this. $1 X plus $5
Okay.
Y equal 160, because that's exactly correct what you said, but I just want to let everyone know exactly what we're doing. Okay, so go ahead with the next part of it.
Okay.
He deposited 3 times as many ones as he did 5, so how would I write that?
You would write that X equals 3Y.
X equals 3Y. Thank you for getting that correct. A lot of people tend to write 3X times equal Y for some reason.
As
Okay.
many fix them up. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you ready to work the problem?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to work. What am I going to do?
I'm going to use substitution.
Substitution sounds good.
Okay. I'm going to substitute for X
Okay, so sub in this for
and
that.
Y.
Okay, so let's go. What do I have here?
You have, I have $1
Okay,
and 3Y times 3Y
times 3Y.
plus $5 Y
Okay,
equals 160.
160. Okay, cool. Go ahead.
And then I add the $1 and the 3Y.
And you're gonna add the You sure you
Multiply.
multiply? There you go. So what do I get?
That's 3Y
3Y.
plus $5Y
Okay, just say 5Y now. We all know that that's $5. They should. Okay.
equals 160.
Okay. And why am I putting 160? So I'll just go ahead and do it like that. Okay. Now go ahead. Go ahead.
And then then it's 8Y
Okay.
equals 160.
Equals 160. Divide both sides by
8.
8. And what do I get? Y equal
20.
20. Sounds good. So he had $25 bills. So what do I need to do now to find my other variable?
X equals 3 times 20.
Okay, X equals 3Y. So that means X equals 3 times 20. Good job. So now what do I get? X equal
60.
60. Man, you are on this problem. Okay. So what's my order pair?
60 and 20.
60-20. I like that. Even though you found this answer first, you still knew that one goes first.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Okay. We can.
Okay. Okay.
Hey,
Hi, Alex.
what about the smiley face?
Oh, hey, man. You know I got to give you a smiley face. Hold on. Let me
You're
see.
slipping.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Draw us a bulldog.
Draw a bulldog. I can't draw a happy face. Okay, what you think? Isn't that better though? I mean, I'm getting a
little better.
Little better. Hey, eventually I'm going to get there.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Bye, Alex.
Bye.
Okay, we have time for one more caller.
One more caller. We're gonna get. Who is that?
Sylvia.
Sylvia from Thomas Edison.
Hi, Sylvia.
Hey.
Hey.
Sylvia, didn't you win last week?
Yeah.
Yay! This is our winner from last week. Yay! Okay. I like it.
You're doing it up.
Did you get your prize?
Did you get your prize?
No.
No.
No, they haven't given it me.
Damn.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
You don't know if you got your prize or not?
I mean, I didn't get it, but I don't know if they have it.
Oh, okay. Well, we will definitely check on that because I know I talked to the math department about the Hillcrest winner and they got the prize out there. So we'll make sure we get that prize to you. All right?
All right.
Okay, let's work a problem.
Okay, it says Janice is selling tickets to a concert. She has sold 79 tickets. The number of children tickets she has sold is one more than twice the number of adult tickets. Write and solve a system of equations that could be used to find the number of children's and adult tickets sold.
Okay, now I need you to work this problem fast because we got to get this stuff together. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, tell me my first equation now that I know that she sold 79 tickets. So I'm dealing with adult tickets and children's tickets, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so what are my two variables?
C plus D.
C plus D, what is the D about?
Oh, that's the,
She can use D if she
I
wants.
mean the A.
You mean okay. I mean you can use a D if you want to. I just was wondering where you
I mean C plus A, but
Adults.
Okay.
Adults.
Okay. How about let me write this again because that looks crazy. Okay, C plus A equal what?
79.
79. Okay. Because see, I'm asking you all that because when you get on the test, they're going to use the variables that make sense. So I don't want you all to use something crazy like that. Okay, go ahead. I mean, I'm saying that's crazy. Okay, go ahead. The number of children's tickets.
Shouldn't think. Let me read it. Okay. So is one more than twice the number.
Okay.
So what does that mean? The number of children's tickets sold is?
So that it is.
What is children's tickets? What variable?
C.
Okay. C. So C equals. One more than means what? Plus one. Okay, and then twice the number.
2A.
2A. You are on it. You're on it. Let's get this next part taken care of. We're gonna take this and do what with it?
Substitute.
Sub it in here. Okay. So what do we have?
2A plus 1 plus A equals 79.
79. Sounds good. Keep going.
Then it's gonna be 3A plus 1 equals 79.
Sounds good. Okay.
And then you subtract 1 from both sides.
Subtract 1. Cool. Keep going.
And then it's gonna be 3A equals 78.
Good.
Okay.
Divide by 3.
Divide by 3. Okay, and then A equals what?
Let me divide.
Okay, sounds
26.
good. 26.
Good. So we have
Excellent job. So that's the adult tickets. How do I find the children's tickets?
Then you do
Sub it into. Let's do.
sub it into C. Into A.
Okay, let's do the second one. Okay.
All right.
So we get C equals 2A plus 1. So what do we have?
It's gonna be
C equals what?
26.
Okay, so we're gonna say 2 times 26.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 times 26 is plus 1.
Plus 1. Good job. Okay. And then where do I go from there? C is going to equal
52 plus
52 plus 1, which equals
53.
53. Excellent job. What is my ordered pair?
26, 53.
26, 53. Yeah,
Good,
baby.
Sylvia.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. Okay, there we go. A little bit of.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, I got it right at the end of the show. That's when it counts. At the end. Yay.
Yay. Bye, Sylvia.
Bye, Bye, Sylvia. That's about all the time we have for today. But before we go, what do we have to do, Nadia?
We have to give away the drawing paper, and Okay.
And works at. Then Art works at. Okay. So who is the blessed winner?
Okay, the Chick-fil-A certificate goes to the lucky caller is number 11, and that's Dee Dee from Skyline.
Yay, Dee Dee from Skyline. Yay.
So enjoy your meal at Chick-fil-A.
And who is going? Our blessed teacher for this week is going to be none other than Miss Mays from South Oak Cliff. Yay, Miss Mays. Way to do a good job out there at South Oak Cliff, Miss Mays, and all the teachers. Thank you to all of the teachers out there who are staying afterwards, because we know you could be doing something else and you chose to stay with the kids.
Yep.
Okay? Congratulations to you both.
Good. Okay, remember, we would love to see you, so don't forget to bring pictures to your teacher so that she can send them to us and we can show them to everyone. And our email address is algebradudes@dallasisd.org, or you can also send them through the interdepartmental mail to DSTV Box 379.
Okay, thank you for joining us today. We'll see you next week. And remember, guys, that we don't expect you all to have an understanding coming on, but we definitely expect you to have an understanding going off. We'll see you next week. Quadratics.
Yay!